What's going on, guys? Duck fishing. I know the upload's been a little slow lately, but I've been trying to catch fish and pretty unsuccessful most of the times, but I'm back and hope we try to get out a few more videos, ice fishing and stuff. So today we're at this little creek. You know, nothing too spectacular here today. Just some little creek chubs, possibly bluegill, green sunfish. Nothing too big. But in 2020, this is the first day of, it's the new year. So I'm gonna be getting a new video editing software, and I'm gonna be getting a new drone for some aerial footage over some of the fishing locations. And I've already purchased a new camera. So yeah, I think this is gonna be our year. Okay, see what we can catch. Okay. Oop. Little peak chub. Look at that guy. Right there. Okay, just a little guy. But it was a good sign. Here we go. Ooh, nice one. It's a big one. It's a good size for this place. This guy here. Nice coloration. Very nice. Okay, now I want to catch like a green sunfish or something, because I know they're in here. It's not only creek chubs. Oh. Here we go. It's a little chub. Ready? Okay. Okay. Get back to fishing now. Oh. Here we go. Oh, he got away. Little dazed there, that fish was. Nice one. Okay. Number 4. Nice little chub. It's a good cast. Oh. Come on, fishies. I feel them nipping. They all seem kind of small. I gotta find the bigger ones. Okay, fishies. Ooh. Oh, I snagged him. My bad. It's fighting funny. But he's up. No blood though, that's a good sign. He is perfect. There he goes. Yeah, I'm getting too aggressive with these guys. There we go. It's in the mouth. Oh. I'm not gonna count the other one. So this is like 6 or 7. See him? Ah, the water's freezing cold. So cold. Another guy. Okay. My hands are freezing right now. So this is very fun. Even though they aren't big, this is still pretty fun. This is all you can get, and this is all you can get. Same. There's a little injury right there. Huh. There we go. There we go. A nice fish. One of these days, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna get some of these guys and use them as bait. Like, these would be pretty good for like bass or like pike. Well, probably the last one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And I promise there'll be better videos out shortly. But yeah, thanks for watching.